It's been a wild stretch here. Of course, we've got wind everywhere. We've been putting up with the heavy snow and blizzard conditions in eastern North Dakota and the northern valley into northwest Minnesota. Fargo's had a mess of precipitation off and on, and over to the east, we've had more than an inch of rain in some areas. So this has been quite the system, and it's still raging out there. You can see we do have some flakes flying around here on our Storm Team Skycam in Fargo, and our camera's shaking just a little bit as that wind continues to blast. So this is going to continue into the afternoon, and road conditions are going to continue to be bad to worse as the wind picks up even a little bit more as we head into the afternoon hours. So checking out our road conditions, I just want to point out again where the major closures are. The Canadian border, I-29 down to Fargo, and then Fargo over to Bismarck. I-94, of course, closed. We've been reporting on Highway 2 from Devil's Lake to Grand Forks as well. And there are some other highway closures in eastern North Dakota, highways that have been deemed impassable because of drifts, as well as icy and difficult conditions. Into Minnesota, there are areas where no travel is advised, and also down into South Dakota, too, beyond the state line, no travel advised. And down by Aberdeen, the roads are closed there as well. So this is a valley-wide event going on and beyond, as we just reported. And you can see the snow still happening. It's been drifting eastward. There are some breaks in this, so some breaks in between snow squalls that move through, and then there are some bands that are a lot heavier still going on. Southern Valley, Fergus Falls seeing some snow, Detroit Lakes. Fargo, we've got another band just starting to move into the metro and take over, and there are a couple more after that that will be swinging through. As we go a little farther north, a couple of areas of darker blue showing up in places like Polk and into Trail County. Grand Forks has been seeing quite a bit of snow today. Of course, we've been reporting more than 5 inches of snow that have fallen there, and up toward Larimore, closer to 10 inches of snow, and out to the west, that heavier band, Edgeley, Ellendale, that foot or more in that area. So that's where the heaviest snow has been. Just to the northwest of the Fargo-Moorhead metro area, where we've ended up in that transition zone we talked about would be possible yesterday, and that's exactly what happened. So overall, the system, the precipitation with it will be drifting eastward. We'll continue to see off and on snow and wind-driven snow. This is not going away anytime soon. We've got gusts into the 50s, 52 miles per hour in Grand Forks, Cooperstown 53 miles per hour, Oaks 58 right now, so getting close to that 60 mile per hour mark we warned you about with this system. Fargo's currently at 46 miles per hour. So regardless of whether you're dealing with snow or not, wind is certainly going to be a problem, getting to those extreme levels where we could have damage even without the snow. Of course, we just saw that billboard come down in Fargo without much snow going on. So it's something to take seriously. Visibility, again, very low. We've got blizzard conditions. Cooperstown, Oaks still stuck in the middle of that blizzard. Fargo, our visibility has been coming down. And again, in town, it might be okay for some areas. It's out of town where it deteriorates very quickly. That's even the case in the Fargo-Moorhead area where we haven't had as much snow. It's 32 degrees right now, so right at the freezing mark there. Warmer to the east, colder to the west. It's been like that all day. Blizzard warning continues until 7 in pink, and in surrounding areas a winter weather advisory. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. Scattered areas of snow continue into the afternoon. Notice how it does diminish as we get into the afternoon hours, but the wind stays strong. We're still looking at those winds gusting out of the northwest and into the 40s and 50s, and even potentially getting to 60. We could see that wind kick up just a little bit more here over the next few hours before it finally starts to wind down. So we're not out of the woods yet, and we won't be for some time. That snow ends. We still see that wind strong late tonight until it winds down into tomorrow morning, and we could start the cleanup process. We'll still have a little bit of a breeze, but nowhere near what we're dealing with today, with dry conditions and temperatures that are below freezing, by the way, which means all of that ponding we've been seeing, the slush, that all freezes right back up, leading to more icy slick spots, and all of that extra moisture we just got getting locked right into the basin here as we head into Friday and Saturday. We do eventually warm up back above freezing on St. Patrick's Day and beyond. So again, still dealing with this, and for some of us, it's actually getting a little bit worse right now.
Yeah.
So we're right in the heart of it, and please take those warnings seriously.
Yeah, we just got, word earlier in the show from the Sargent County Sheriff's Office, and both Highway 11 and 13 are now impassable, and a lot of areas are blocked, and DOT has even pulled its plows. So traveling conditions are not good.
Just stay home and stay warm.
Just
right?
stay home, grab some cocoa, just stay put today.
Exactly.
Thank you, Lisa.